When this photo was installed in the main bar room 4 years ago, these four quotes, they were chosen to represent the ideals in a very encapsulated form. What are these ideals? I'll explain. The first one here, this quote says that every individual must have a philosophy of life. Without philosophy, even we as advocates are not advocates, we are merely lawyers, those who have passed the degree of law. When only we have a philosophy, that we become advocates of that philosophy and we try to lead our life according to that philosophy. Then this quote was chosen where Baba Sahib Ambedkar says that it is wrong to say that my inspiration came from the French Revolution. It came from the religions of India. It is in this spirit that our secularism that has to be guided, that we have to maintain a balance between secularism as well as between the religion of India, from which the main philosophy of our constitution has been derived. Then this quote says, Baba Sahib says that the progress of any society, it can be measured by the progress that the women of that society have made. It has been our constant endeavor in this Bar Association to achieve this ideal of Baba Sahib Ambedkar ji. Wherever there is some position, be it election committee, be it anywhere, we try to incorporate women members in the working of our Bar Association. This should be extended to the whole of India. It is the ideal of Baba Sahib Ambedkar ji. Now, how it is to be achieved? This fourth quote, his ideal, it says that it is not enough, not sufficient merely to be electors, to be voters. You have to be lawmakers also. As lawyers, it is imperative for us to work in this direction. When there was some amendment moved in the Advocates Act a few years ago, I checked on the website of Law Ministry and they said 167 responses were received to their questionnaire. To my mind, there are more than 18 lakhs advocates in India, but in a deliberate manner these questionnaires, they don't reach us because they don't want us to be lawmakers or participate in the lawmaking process. That is why these kind of laws, which though beneficial to the profession in the sense that more cases come out of bad laws than out of good laws, they are beneficial to the profession, but they are against and they are anti-people. It is for this reason that we as advocates, as lawyers must participate in the lawmaking process to the extent that we can. These four ideas, this picture, it was installed in the main bar room by Chief Justice Wazeedar at that time. And I hope that this would be an inspiration not only for us but for the coming generation also of advocates and lawyers to work according to the ideals of Baba Sahib Ambedkar ji. I thank all of you. I thank MP Gupta ji, our co-chief guest, and Shri Chanta Singla ji. And I'll say the tea is ready. I hope it is ready, and we are welcome, all are welcome to have a cup of tea with us. Thank you very much.